Morning, everybody. Apologize, you might hear my dog in the back, but I've been getting a lot of questions about what to do. So, just today's assignment in Google Classroom, all you have to do is be familiar with the stream. Go through and see what I've commented. Here's your to-do list for this week. What your classmates have commented. Get familiar with how to use the stream and what to do. And then your second part of what I wanted you to accomplish today is to go through classwork and then complete this Friday due by 3-20 assignment. Okay, that's all I want you to do. So be familiar with the stream and then be familiar with classwork and complete this 3-20. What activities do you like to do during the summertime? That's all I need you to do. 91 of you have completed it. 27 have to still do that. And you'll get a reply from me later on today. As for classwork, there's a lot of these extra assignments. We'll get through that throughout this time we have together in Google Classroom. Please do not go ahead. I repeat, do not go ahead with any assignment. On Monday morning on the stream, so posted in here, on Monday morning you will see a to-do list for that week starting on Monday. But for today, all you have to do is get familiar with the stream and go to classwork, do Friday 3-20, what activities you like to do during the summertime. That is it. Please do not do anything more. Email me or let me know if you have any questions or concerns. But that's it. All you have to do is answer this question in classwork 3-20. What activities do you like to do during the summertime?